This is Oppo Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start. The first feature that we would like to share with you guys is the fact that you can use your fingerprint as the, screen unlock method. In order to set this option up, you gotta open the settings, then enter the password and security section. In here you'll find the dedicated fingerprint window which you want to tap on, then press on the continue. Prior to enrolling any biometrical way of locking your screen, it is required that you also set up some backup unlock method as well. The list that you can choose from is numeric password, pattern password, or alphanumeric. I'll go with the pattern. Enter. Already I didn't enter the right pattern, so let me redraw it. So I'll enter the pattern that I would like to use, then I will just go ahead and confirm it. Next, I can start actually enrolling my fingerprint. So the scanner is located right here at the lower part of your display. So lay a finger onto it and lift it and lay it once again until the full fingerprint will be scanned. Make sure to slightly rotate your fingerprint each time you lay it onto the sensor, so the scan process will go smooth and will be able to entirely read your fingerprint correctly. So lay and lift until the scan procedure will be completed. Alrighty, so as you can see, the fingerprint has been successfully added. So let's go ahead and test it out real quick. As you can see, I'm unlocking the display without any issues whatsoever. You can even do that from the completely turned off screen as well. Alrighty, so moving on to the next feature that we would like to highlight in this video, which is another biometrical way of locking your screen, and it, as you could already guess, is going to be the face recognition. So just enter the same category of settings, which is password and security. Here you'll find the face window which you want to tap on. Draw the pattern that we have just set up, and the face enrollment is way easier and quicker. Simply place your face inside this fur frame and get it scanned. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alrighty, so the face has been successfully enrolled, so let's test this screen lock method as well. As you can see, once I align my face with the camera, now, my face is not in front of it, so it does not get recognized respectively, but once I align the selfie camera with my actual face, the display gets unlocked without any issues whatsoever, as you can see by this, lock being opened. Alrighty, so the first tip for the user experience with this phone is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. So simply enter the display and brightness category of settings. In here, expand the options for the screen refresh rate. Here we have two values to choose from. Those are 60 and 90 Hz. So basically, the higher screen refresh rate you go for, the smoother and silkier animations and visual experience you'll get. But at the same time, if you opt for the lower value of 60 Hz, you'll be able to conserve some battery. Therefore, the power consumption will be slightly decreased. So if you would like to save the power left, go for the lower values. If left battery health is not your concern, go for the high one. And I would say as a bonus, pretty much, you'll be able to see the difference between those two display refresh rates at this animations. Alrighty, so the first tip that we would like to show you in this video is located at the special features category. So let's enter it, and it's kinda linked to the fingerprint unlock method in a way. It is called the quick launch, and as you can see right here, it says that it allows you to gain an access to frequently used functions while unlocking your device with a fingerprint. So let's turn it on. In here we can set up the menu that we'll be able to launch the apps from. So let me just change the Facebook app to the let's say search in the Google Drive, or you know what, I'll just remove the Facebook and plug in the Google search. The topmost menu part will contain the music app, and this one I'll just leave it to be the Google Assistant. So now we'll lock the screen, hold onto the sensor and drag it upwards. And as you can see, this menu that we have just set up appears right here, and from here we can do whatever function that we set it to be. Let's test it out once again. Just tap and hold onto the sensor, drag it upwards, and this quick launch menu gets launched pretty easily, just like that. Alrighty, so moving on to fifth and last tip / feature for this video that we would like to highlight, that is located in the battery category of settings. So let's enter it real quick. Next, you want to go for the advanced settings, and in here at the very bottom you see this very humble small toggle that shows battery percentage on the status bar, because as you can see right now, the battery icon is just visually shows the power left, so you cannot precisely know how much of the battery life you have left. But if you would like to very particularly know the percentage of left power, simply turn this toggle on, and now it shows the amount of battery left, which is in my case 83%, I guess, or 85, whatever. So if you would like to know an exact amount of battery left at all times, just use this tip. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.